Oops. A mind-boggling topic you guys stumbled on. It is made to believe that a girl or a woman is one of a mystery and the most challenging puzzle to solve. Everyone throws various thoughts and circulates a varied number of assumptions about girls, claiming that it is very difficult to understand them. In this video you will find most surprising and interesting fact about girl. Help you to understand the girl's nature. Number 1. Girls love to feel special, even though they might not show it. Number 2. In every girl's life, there's a boy she will never forget. Number 3. When a guy says something really sentimental, girls will remember it forever and ever. Number 4. If you like a girl, try making friends with her first. Number 5. Girls love it when guys say their name. Number 6. When girls have a crush on someone, she thinks highly of him but does not tell anyone. Number 7. In every girl's life, there are 3 boys: boy who is loved by a girl, boy who is hated by a girl, and boy whom she thinks that she can't live without. Number 8. If a girl loves a guy, he will always be there in her mind, even though she flirts with other guys. Number 9. The average amount of time a woman can keep a secret is 47 hours and 15 minutes. Number 10. Women get drunk faster than men because the female body has less water in its tissue. This is the same reason why women sweat lesser than men. Number 11. Most women, long-term relationships, make her men fat to look less attractive to other women. Sounds great. Number 12. Girls spend 120 hours in a year looking at themselves in the mirror. Number 13. Love changes a girl a lot. Love can make a girl do another haircut, change the style of clothes, and affects her daily routine and social life too. Number 14. Having a 5-minute conversation with a woman gives men improved mental health. Number 15. When girls are talking to you about their problems, they just want someone to listen rather than give solutions.